Hey, get away. My name is Alex. I'm a crew member that works on board. Right now, I'm filming from the comfort of my Airbnb here in Lisbon. I'm working for 6 months on board and then 2 months vacation. Now, during my vacation, I decided to take advantage of AliExpress and order some essentials, something that I really need, something for vlogging, like this thing right there, which I'm going to be using in a moment, and much, much more. So I ordered some stuff. I want to confess, I already start unboxing it. Most of it's already unboxed. However, I got little package right here to unbox with you. I just want to share what I order on AliExpress. Maybe it's going to be useful for you. So without any further ado, I'm going to utilize the privilege of a small channel content creator. I'm going to experiment. I'm going to try something new here on my channel because I want this to be useful and interesting video. Hopefully not super long. All right, without any further ado, let's dive into unpacking, unboxing from AliExpress. So right away, let's get rid of this because I think cutting all this stuff, it's not super interesting stuff. So let's get rid of it right away. And I'm going to introduce you this first thing that I order. I'm going to be utilizing it right now to showing you what I see on my desk. So basically, you put it like this, like this, you put it like this, and you put your phone right here. You also can switch, I believe this is for the GoPro or any other action camera. So why did I decide to do this? Because I, as you see, create my content on my iPhone and I edit it on my iPhone. I just, throughout the years, it's so much easier for me. I'm working on cruise ships, I'm working there every day, so there's no much time for me to transfer photos, all that's, if I do that, that takes so much time. And for now, I don't want to add the camera, I'm doing everything on my iPhone. So let's switch to the view from here and let's operate with this thingy. All right, so that's what you can see in front of me. There you go, this is my computer. That's aside. This is the tripod that I was using, not the best one. So I needed to replace. I guess this is the replacement, but anyway. So the first thing is this. This is portable, affordable. I think it was around $6. Sunglasses. Boom. Boom. Look at this. How do they fold? Look at this. Look at this. How they fold and how you're able to pack them here. Look at this. Super nice pouch. Look at the size. This is amazing. Wow. Definitely yes, yes, yes. And I think I look good. There you go. What do you think? Why I decided to buy this, even though I have a couple of expensive ones, but I'm always losing them or leaving them somewhere, or they got scratched and stuff because they're always bulky and stuff. And this, I'm more than sure you can put it in your pocket and forget about them. This is something that I'm going to be using during my travels. And I'm going to be traveling during my vacation here in Europe, so you better stay tuned. All right, the next thing, it's this thing, which I do have adapter for this, which can replace, again, bulky. I'm having old Redmi headphones, but this, look, comparing to this in your pocket, feels nothing, doesn't require charging, and I feel like it's getting popular again. A lot of hipsters and youngsters, I'm walking around with them, so I decided I'm just gonna order this. Look, again, comparing this and this, you know, this is neat must have, I would say. So that's why I ordered them. The next thingy is the wristband, right? So this is my old Bulova watch, but the problem is here. Look, that was the problem, and I couldn't find replacement here in Lisbon. So I'm gonna try this new ones. Hopefully I measure them correctly. It was a couple of bucks as well. This is super important for me because I do AeroPress coffee, and this is 100 of them here. I think there was promotion on getting 500. You can get a better deal. If you like AeroPress filter coffee, this is the solution. Put this one aside. All right, this is interesting. This is just for trying. So it came in the box like this, and it's hard disk. I think there was, the way how it's written, as you see, it's not super, quality is not the best, I would say, but it's kind of look like a SanDisk. There you go. I think it has an indicator, right, if it's connected, but I'm gonna try. They say made for an iPhone, Android, Harmony, Windows. I don't even know what is Harmony. Anyway, I want to try because it was a promotion at 128 terabytes, not gigabytes, terabytes. And I have so many draft files that, you know, from this shooting, that I think this is can be useful thing. I hope it's working accordingly. Anyway, I'm going to be putting there just the draft files, so in case I lose them, it's okay. But it's good to have them back up just in case. I got this just for trying. All right, and this is interesting stuff. So this is for your head. Another holder. Look, you put it on your head like this. And again, as I said, this is for the iPhone. So the iPhone can be in front of you. And you can just adjust the angle. All right, so different ways also. I think this is for GoPro or whatever. And this is the actual holder. All right, we'll test it because I love to cycle. So we'll test it later. And this is another thing, I want to test it later on. This is basically the same holder, but for the chest. So this is how you wear it, you see. On your chest, adjust the straps and put your phone. I already explained why I want to use only the phone. It's easier for me. So that's that. And now the real unboxing, real unpacking. I'm putting aside everything, and the last thing, here you go. Well, this is real fillings. Oh, there's a few things here. Oh, I'm glad I didn't unbox this so I can see a few more things. Boom. All right, so what do we have? Okay, one at a time. It's, by the way, super light. The last one that I have with a buckle like this was like very, very heavy. And again, for me as a crew member, I don't want to have the heavy stuff. All right, so I think you just need to, like you always, you push and then buckle up. There you go. All right, that's good. The next thingy. Is this a towel or what it is? Yes. This is a towel. Yeah, from Naturehike. Okay, I think I have a couple of things from them. All right. Not very easy to get in. Okay, it's all right. And inside, what am I doing wrong? Okay. And inside, boom, you have a towel. Super small, I would say. Here you go. It's a super small, but you know, it should be drying fast, and it's gonna be a real solution on my few trips, which gonna be very soon. So we'll take that. And it's very petite, as you see, very small. All right. What's next? So this is another set for the travel bottles, as you see. But the good thing this is, for example, you can put this one here. You can put this one here, and then you put the toothpaste, and you have exactly amount of toothpaste for your trip. This is, I think this is great. Another must-have thing. Boom. All right. I just tried to use this light. This can be very useful. Like you see, like a bad light or whatever, you can put it. Type. Oh, it's not even a type C. That's the old generation. But anyway, I can order that. You can hook it up. I think it's a magnet as well. Intelligent induction lamp. All right, I think this should be lit with the movement. All right, I hope it works. Oh, and of course they have that charger. All right, what do we have here? My goodness, how many of these things did I order? Did I order one more thing? Now I can sell. Look, one packed. Somebody wants? Did I order two by mistake maybe? Not sure. Wow. Okay, this is exactly what I'm using right now. All right, what is this? Oh, I think that was the like a razor for your shoes. I don't believe those advertisement, but I'm gonna try. So you know the white shoes, you just like, and they should rub some scratches out of it. Suede sneaker shoes, leather shoes. Okay, well tested. And this is should be the shoe organizers. That's for my cruise ship. So basically, you just need to have those thingies where to hook them up. But they should be, oh yeah, they should be, they are here. All right, so as you see, very useful thing. You just hook this one up like this, and you, for example, I'm gonna show you. Very nice solution for the cruise ship. What's that? Another one? How did I order this one? Maybe by mistake. Well, I'm probably gonna be selling or I don't know, just take it with me. Luckily, all this is very light. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it was interesting and useful information for you. Please consider subscribing to my channel as I'm traveling around the world. It's about lifestyle and cruising and much, much more. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.